Let's learn how to take a reading with your pulse. To get an accurate reading, sit comfortably with your back supported and your arm resting on a flat surface, such as a table. Place the pulse securely on a flat surface as well. Then slide your arm through the cuff and position it about 1/2 inch, 1 to 2 centimeters, above your elbow joint. Keep your hand palm side up on the table. If the cuff is on your left upper arm, position the cuff tube in the middle of your arm, aligned with your middle finger. If it's on your right upper arm, make sure the cuff tube is placed at the side of your elbow. Once everything is positioned correctly, you're ready to start your reading. To start your reading, first turn on the pulse, then press the pulse button, which is located on the right side of the device. During the reading, remain still and avoid talking. The cuff will inflate and deflate twice, first for your brachial reading and then again for your central blood pressure reading. Stay still for the entire process to ensure an accurate result. After the reading is complete, your results will first appear on the pulse monitor. To view them, press the scroll button, which is the left button on the device. If you'd like to take another reading, simply press the pulse button again, which is located on the right. To sync your results to the CONNEQT app, make sure your phone is nearby as the pulse connects via Bluetooth. Open the app and your data will sync automatically. Please refer to the Customizing Your Pulse video to personalize your pulse,